everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to use the 3D ribbon icons in Phast. These are useful functions when dealing with 3D geometries. We will explore how to effectively navigate and utilize these functionalities to assist you when performing CFD modeling in Phast. So once you've added your geometry or even custom objects, you can use the different functionalities to either improve your viewing experience or to transform your geometries. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that the 3D viewer is selected. And then go to the 3D tab in the ribbon bar. You will see the different functionalities that are available in here. So firstly, you can either select the zoom in icon for zooming in and zoom out icon for zooming out. Alternatively, you can also use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Now, to refresh the view for your 3D geometry, you can select the Fit All icon. You can also easily switch perspectives with the X plane, Y plane, or the Z plane. Double-clicking reverses the view. You can use the Show Axis to either display the axis lines or hide the axis lines, while the Show Scale Bars icon can be used to display the precise measurement guides. You can also select the Show Scaling Grid, or you can hide it. You can use the Show Wireframe to view the skeletal view of your geometry file, or to show geometry outlines to see the outlines with solid shapes. You can also select the orthographic view to turn on the orthographic projection. To change the coordinates of your geometry file, for example, if you would like to specify a certain point of origin, you can use the Move icon. To do this, select a point of reference. So for this example, I would like this to be the 0 reference point. So I will click Move, and then change the elevation to 0 as this is where I would like my point of origin to be at. And then click OK. This will refresh the location, and then if you select on the same point, you will see that the elevation has now been changed. You can also use the rotate if you're interested in changing the orientation, or if you want to change the scale, then select the scale icon. Alternatively, you can also select the reset button if you would like to reset the geometry to the original placement, or rotation, or scale. Once you've finished transforming your geometry, you can now start building your scenarios. We hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you!